Today's video I'm going to show you how to refill your Canon 243 black ink cartridge and 244 color ink cartridge, and I'm going to use Kingston refill ink. So here we have to remove the seal, as you can see here. So just from one end here, and you will see it looks like this. So I'll show you here like this, and we have to make a hole anywhere so that we can install the ink from here. So fill it in slowly. Now the next I'm going to show is 244 coloring cartridge. So again we have to remove the top. So there are 3 holes here, as you can see, top and one on the right and one on the left. So we have to make hole in all 3 sections. So once we make hole in all 3 sections, now we can refill the ink. So I'm only going to fill 2 ml in each. Now we will install the yellow. So here is the blue. Now place the cover back here. So I'm going to check the quality now. So I'll place a page here. So let's see. So first we'll do the black. We can see the print quality is really good. So I press the color. And we can see the color copy is great as well. So if we refill these ink cartridges, then we get good quality print. As you can see, there is a little difference. We can see it is little bit light in color because we have refilled, so there is a difference in the print quality, but overall the quality is really good. There is no problem I can find in it. So I definitely recommend to use if you just want to save some money on your ink. Thanks for watching.